Writing a project charter requires careful planning and attention to detail. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to writing a project charter. Let's get right to it. 1. Define purpose and objectives. The first step in writing a project charter is to define the project's purpose and objectives. The purpose is a high-level statement that describes the reason for the project. It should be concise and easy to understand. The objectives are specific, measurable, and time-bound goals that the project aims to achieve. 2. Identify the scope. The next step is to define the project scope. The scope outlines the boundaries of the project, including what is included and excluded. It's essential to identify the scope to avoid any misunderstandings later on. 3. Determine timeline and budget. The third step is to determine the project timeline and budget. The timeline should include key milestones and deliverables. The budget should cover all costs associated with the project, including labor, materials, and any external costs. 4. Identify team and stakeholders. The fourth step is to identify the project team members and stakeholders. The team members are responsible for executing the project, while the stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an investment in the project's outcome. 5. Define communication plan. The fifth step is to define the project's communication plan. The communication plan outlines how project information is shared and who receives it. 6. Create risk management plan. The sixth step is to create a risk management plan. The risk management plan identifies potential risks and outlines strategies to mitigate them. 7. Obtain sign-off. The final step is to obtain sign-off from all stakeholders. This indicates that they've read and understood the project charter and agree with the project's goals and objectives. The project charter is an essential document that helps to align project stakeholders and ensure a shared understanding of the project's purpose, objectives, and scope. It sets the stage for project planning and provides a roadmap for successful project delivery. A well-written project charter also helps to manage expectations and mitigate risks throughout the project lifecycle. If you want to learn more about project charters and other critical project management techniques, consider participating in PMP training. The Project Management Professional (PMP) certification is a globally recognized credential that demonstrates your expertise in project management best practices. PMP training can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed as a project manager and advance your career. Visit our site or connect with our team for more information. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.